more butchery work. We're trying to level the fridge with the container. This base is higher than where the fridge was, where we bought it from. So just using the jack from the truck. Rob's just put those in, and then we're gonna go see how level it is now. Do you think, Rob, where this side is, that's touching,
yeah, and
that's not,
yeah,
are we gonna have to put something there to make it level? I think.
we could put a packer in.
What's a packer?
Another something that's little slipping.
Yeah, see, that's level now. Ish.
Yeah, but when that goes back down,
right. Does it? Do you want it to be the bubble to be right center, or
right,
as long as it's in between the lines? Because it's in between the lines.
it's in there.
Yeah.
So it's fractional.
Yeah.
So when that goes down,
so I reckon we want to slide something in there.
Piece of metal.
Metal or wood? We got this thin bit of batten here.
They might split that.
We'll put two of them, or this wider one. That?
No, it's too soft.
Do you think too soft?
It's too. Well, that'll absorb it, won't it? That'll
Yeah.
absorb. But I think we're going to have to cut it. You don't want it going all the way through. No.
So I reckon we need to crank it up a bit more.
Why?
So that, because that's not fully. Is that fully level? No.
Don't forget, nothing's perfect.
Yes, yeah, true, yeah. It will be. Yeah, if we put that in.
I was just looking to make sure it wasn't obscenely.
Yeah.
You know, being a bit pedantic with a level. You know what I mean?
Yeah. But, oh.
Another butchery update. Still going. Nikki's dad's just doing the step to go into the butchery. Well, the fridge. And yeah, how good.
This guy's too talented.
We're gonna seal that with the anti-slip, and yeah, it's gonna be moment of truth with the fridge, whether it works or not. Are you gonna turn on or what? Nope. Nope. Yeah. Let me see what's happening. Right, so after a few YouTube videos and going through a few Italian fridge manuals, because this manufacturer is Italian, I found an English one, downloaded the PDF, and now I think I know how to work it ish. So let's have a look. So I think you're gonna press this for over 5 seconds and it'll kick in. Hey! So that's the temperature in there now, because obviously it's been off for I don't know how many months. And to set the temperature, I've got to do that. No, I don't want reg, I want set. And then I think that's... Oh, what? Why just die on me? Oh. That does not smell good. Right, so I've just done a quick call to my friend Liam, who's an electrician, who's the one that wired this up, and told him about the random trip, and then I turned it back on with his instructions, because I'm not an electrician, and it came back on, and it stayed on for longer than last time, but now it's come up with this. There's, if you can see, that's flashing. You can see there, that light there is flashing, and on the manual it says that if that green one is blinking, it's potentially because due to a safety device in that it's allowed to, or activated it. So obviously this has been off for months, when it's been here and months before we got it. So maybe the way the temperature is, or it's quite high, it's kicking up a fuss and it's doing that. So I think I'm going to leave it for now to see what it does, go do other bits, and then I'll come back to it later, or probably tomorrow when we're doing more work in there with Nicky's dad, and see how we get on. But we will get there one of these days. Oh, it's come back on! It's come back on! Ah! It's come back on! What? She's come back on its own. Okay, so I don't want it to be 15.5. So we'll just see what it does. Because when I started it earlier, it was like 16 point something. Then it dropped down. So I've not set anything yet. So these probably would have been the previous settings at the other place. So let's see how this goes. Oh, my heart. So I think, yeah, like today, I'm going to leave it. Oh, you kicked off again, right? That's an alarm. So I'm going to see what that means on the manual. Hang tight. I can't view the manual and film, so in a bit. Alright, so I'm back in here. You can definitely feel the chill in here already, and it's only been on for like 3 minutes. But my minimal knowledge of this, I think, because I've got these holes here, obviously this used to be on a lorry, like a lorry body fridge. You've got holes here that go the outside, which we're going to seal. So whether there's air coming in there and it's making it trip out, I don't know. But then logically, I'm thinking, like, the fridge is at work. If someone walks in the fridge and opens the door and obviously warm air comes in, they tend to work a bit harder. But obviously this one, the air in there is quite warm because it's been off for a while. So maybe, I don't know what I'm talking about now. But yeah, at least the electricals are on properly, so that's fine. So I just have to figure out, or just leave it and just see what it does and see if it drops itself down. If not, I might have to ring Dan, the guy that I bought it off, to see how he programmed it. If not, I'll have to ask either online somewhere or ask a few friends that have chiller units how they operate theirs. And yeah, either way, I want it running within the next week. Just as I stopped that, it started again. Hey! Let's have a look. Right, what are you going to do now? You're going up to 16. Come on. Alright, let's see what it does. It's definitely doing a thing. Let's have a bit of coffee that Nicky brought me. Yeah, I can hear her doing its thing in there. Come on, mate. Ooh. E5, right. E5 is a code. Right, see you in a bit. I'm going to check the code now. I'm back. So E5 apparently means repeated HP pressure is on. I don't know what HP stands for, but up a bit on the manual. HBP is high temperature. So HP, temperature, I don't know where the P is coming from. Anyway, that's what it says. And it says to fix it, the reset mode is at switch on. So let's see what it does if I press switch on. Alright, let's turn it off. Let's turn you on again. At switch on. What? At switch on. Do you want me to just press it once then? Alright, now you're blinking. Press it twice. Oh, maybe I'd switch on at the switch. Oh my god. English, my second language. English. Right, this is at switch on. So we're gonna go. That will all be tidied up, don't worry, because we still got a sheet. This with plastic sheet, which is out there straightening nicely. As you can see there. Right, at switch on. Let's go. Off. On. Let's go around again. Oh, okay. UN. What does UN mean? Let's pretend UN doesn't mean anything. Alright, come on, girl. Don't know why it's the fridge is female, but we'll go with that. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Please, please, please. Oh, right. What error code are you going to give me now? No error code. Is it because the temperature's probably set? Could be that. Actually, maybe thinking, maybe the temperature, the program is set it that if it goes, I don't know what program, because you could do low temperature, medium and high, I think. So if it's on high, then maybe it's going past the parameters and it's, I don't know, I'm just trying to explain this now, or explain it to myself. I'm going to see if I can tweak some of the programs and see what we get to. Bye. So I went on the phone to the guy who I bought the fridge from, Dan, and told him what the situation is. He said when he first had it, just had the fridge guy set it for, oh my god, it's turned off again. Set it for him and then just left it on, and that was that. So I went in and set it to 4 degrees. It flashed as if to tell me that, yeah, that was cool. And then it turned on, and then it just turned off now. So I don't know, man. Ah! Right, I'm thinking, because it's not fully sealed like I said earlier, maybe that's a thing. But then the issue about if a fridge is on, you open it, it just works harder. So this should be working harder. So whether because it's been off for so long it's forgotten how to work, or it's forgotten its programs, I don't know. But might have to give someone a call and see if I can either get someone to come and look at it with me, or probably get the people to come out and do it. But I'm trying not to spend too much money, and it will definitely cost money if they come out. So I'm gonna leave it and go do something else. I'm gonna feed the pigs. I need to take the trailer to James. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it and then I'll come back to it and see what it does. But the temperature 4 is in there, I think.